Alright, let's solve this question together. It says 6 raised to power x equal to 24. How do we solve this? First thing we can say is that 6 is equal to 2 times 3 and 24 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 times 3. Okay, now replace 6 and 24 with this in this equation. We have 2 times 3 all raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 3 times 3. Okay, moving on from here, we can say let's now take the logarithm of both sides. Okay, so we have logarithm of 2 times 3 all raised to the power of x to be equal to logarithm of 2 raised to power 3 times 3. Okay, from here we have logarithm of 2 times 3 raised to power x is the same thing as x multiplied by logarithm of 2 times 3 to be equal to logarithm of 2 raised to power 3 times 3 can be splitted to be equal to logarithm of 2 raised to power 3 plus logarithm of 3. Moving on from here, we can now say that our x is equal to logarithm of 2 raised to power 3 plus logarithm of 3 divided by logarithm of 2. Now this is also plus logarithm of 3. Alright, and this becomes equal to 3 times logarithm of 2. Okay, when you have something like this, the power multiply the log plus logarithm of 3 divided by logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 3. Alright, so this becomes the final answer to the equation. Thanks for watching.